As you can see, we moved the cage a little bit. We put the wire on the bottom thinking that it would work really good to protect them, which it kind of did the first day from Foxy, but we're actually having a lot more problems with the wire on the bottom. So I think, again, Monday, I'm going to be cutting that, getting rid of it. So that way they can scratch and do the things they're supposed to do. Let's see, my ladies. I know I got 2 up here. 3. 3 little ladies. Hi, ladybugs. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. There's Mama. There's Mama. There's Mama. So, I gotta clean this up. Try to figure out, because my husband and I really didn't know what we were doing, and if you can see, there are huge gaps in the bottom of the coop, and we had no idea that birds poop a lot at night. I mean, we knew birds pooped, but we didn't know the majority of the pooping was at night. She's over there with the 2 fake eggs I've got. So... Alright, leave those alone. And then we have one more cage to check on. There! There's my little frizzy boy. I think it's a boy. If you don't think it's a boy, let me know down below in the comments, because I'm pretty sure. In fact, if any of these, if you know what they are, let me know, man. Because I'm trying to figure it out. There's my girls, again. A little bit of different angle. I don't seem to be showing much interest that I can see. Oh, there goes his fluff, fluff, fluff. He's getting ready to cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo! You gonna do it? Look at the fluffing up of the feathers. Oh my god. There he goes. You gonna do it? See? The whole process. He like fluffs his head feathers, fluffs his saddle feathers, his side, flaps his wings, and then he hollers. They told me that this was a girl, but I don't know. Looks like a boy to me. Hey, Snow. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And this one hasn't crowed. He ain't laid an egg, but he ain't crowed either. Alright. That's all for the big ones. I might go over and do the splashes. I don't know.